Hello! So today we're going to review the Old Style Tarot created by Alexander Ray. So binili ko siya sa America. Ito yung box niya. Ito yung side. And, pakay na to. So, 79 card deck. Meron siyang blank card. Ayan pala. Tingnan natin. Ito yung instructions niya. Tingnan muna natin yung kanyang guidebook. Okay, black and white yung kanyang guidebook. Meron din siyang spread. Meron din siyang upright, advice, tsaka reverse meaning. Ayan. May reverse, may upright, meaning. May card advice din siya. Tapos may warning din siya. May quick answer din siya. Same with minor arcana. Yeah, same with minor arcana. Ayun, simple lang yung kanyang may notes sa likod. Blank card. Pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Pwedeng hindi. 79 eh. Ayun. Lagay ko siya dito sa gilid. Then this is the card. So, check muna natin yung quality ng card. Yung back of the card, pwede ka mag-reverse reading. Actually, halata siya sa mata. Kapag reverse. For me, halata siya sa eyes. No? Ito yung naka-reverse, ito yung upright. Medyo obvious pag naka-reverse. Yeah. Then sa quality naman ng card, hindi naman siya ganun kanipis. Okay lang yung quality niya. Tsaka parang masarap siyang i-shuffle. Okay yung quality niya. Hindi siya basta-basta nabibend. Hindi siya sobrang nipis like the other cards. Maganda yung quality niya. Hindi siya masyadong glossy. Hindi rin siya matte. So, ito yung blank card. Ito yung extra card. Blank card nakalagay. Start na tayo ng flip through. Ilalagay ko siya dito sa side na to. So, you can pause if masyadong mabilis. This is the Fool. Magician. Ang ganda ng ano niya, graphics niya. Talagang ano, old style. Yung datingan niya. Masarap siya sa mata. Parang pastel, ganun. The Emperor. Pastel na class yung dating. The Lovers. The Chariot. The Strength. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Justice. Hangman. Death. Temperance. Devil. Tower. The Star. Nadula siya. The Moon. Yan. So, the Sun. Judgment. The World. Ang ganda ng The World niya, oh. Ang ganda ng graphics. I love it. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. 10 of Wands. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. King of Wands. Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Tingnan mo yung Three of Swords niya. Three of Swords. Pain, third party, grief, pero ang ganda pa rin tingnan. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. Six of Swords. Parang Victorian era, ganun. Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. 10 of Swords. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. So, try natin siya i-shuffle. This type of cards, no, I don't think na magbe-bend siya kapag shuffle mo siya ng casino shuffle like this. Sa quality ng card niya, I don't think na madali siyang magbe-bend. Yung ganito, hindi siya magbe-bend agad na yung nakaganon. Dahil magandang klase yung cards niya. And then, yung ganitong klaseng shuffles, yung ganyan, okay din siya. Tsaka swabe siya pag shuffle mo. Hindi siya yung sobrang dulas. Magandang klase siya na card. Pag ginanyan mo, ang ganda. Tsaka yung graphics niya, ang ganda din. Madali ka pang makakapag-resonate sa kanya. Pwede siyang for beginners. Sobrang madali siyang basahin compare sa ibang tarot. So, recommended siya for beginners, advanced, pwede siya. Quality, maganda din. Images, sobrang class tingnan. Hindi siya scary. Pastel, masarap sa mata. So, for me, 10 out of 10. I love this tarot. I love this one. 10 out of 10 siya para sa akin. Maganda siyang klase. Worth it. For me, worth it siya. Okay? So, if there is any tarot in mind or Oracle Lenormand that you want me to review, maybe available na siya, I'll review it first. If not, you can comment it below. Yeah. Tarot, Oracle, or Lenormand. So, kung available na siya, unahin ko siya i-review. If not, I'll try my best to find it. Then, i-review natin. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye!